Hello and welcome to this CSS course. My name is Mr. X240. In this part, I'll be introducing you to CSS, explaining what it is and why it's such an important skill for anyone learning web development. So let's start with the basics. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is the language used to style and design web pages. If HTML is the structure or the skeleton of a website, then CSS is the design, the layout, and the skin that makes everything look beautiful. With CSS, you can control things like colors, fonts, backgrounds, spacing, positioning, and even animations. For example, HTML might give you a plain black and white page with text and images, but CSS can turn that page into a visually attractive design that matches your brand or idea. Now you might be wondering, why should I learn CSS? Here are several strong reasons. Brings websites to life visually. Without CSS, all websites would look plain and unstyled. CSS allows you to transform a simple page into something creative, professional, and user-friendly. Beginner-friendly, CSS is simple to learn. The syntax is straightforward, and you can start styling web pages with just a few lines of code. Works hand in hand with HTML. HTML handles the content, and CSS handles how that content looks. If you already know some HTML, CSS is the natural next step. Control and customization. With CSS, you have full control over the appearance of your website. You're not limited to templates. You can customize everything to fit your exact design. Responsive design. CSS allows you to build websites that look good on all devices, from desktops to tablets to smartphones. This is essential in today's world where most people browse the web on mobile. Career opportunities. Every website and web app needs styling. That means CSS is a core skill for web designers, front-end developers, and full-stack developers. Advanced features. Modern CSS is very powerful. Beyond colors and layouts, you can use CSS for transitions, animations, grid systems, and flexbox layouts, making complex designs much easier to achieve. So in this course, we'll start from the very basics. We'll look at how to write CSS rules, how selectors and properties work, and how to connect CSS to HTML. Then we'll move on to colors, fonts, borders, backgrounds, and spacing. After that, we'll explore more advanced concepts like the box model, positioning, flexbox, grid, and responsive design. We'll also cover CSS animations and transitions to bring interactivity into your pages. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to design and style beautiful websites. You'll be able to take a plain HTML page and turn it into a polished, professional-looking site. To sum it up, CSS is the design language of the web. It gives you the power to control the look and feel of your websites, and it's an essential skill if you want to become a front-end or full-stack developer. So thank you for joining me in this introduction. In the next lesson, we'll dive right in and write your very first CSS styles.